Well, saying goodbye to another terminal in the New York area. This is the old LaGuardia Delta, and it was Northwest also when I was Northwest Airlines. And I'm gonna walk through this. This may be one of the last times I see this place. If you remember, I posted a video a few months ago of Terminal 2 at JFK. That's gone now. And this one will be gone very soon. They actually built around it. You can't see out the windows, but actually that's the terminal. You used to be able to see across the ramp. But now the terminal's over there. And you can see this side still open. They built around it on the right side, opened up those gates, and I think the days are numbered for this terminal. So I kind of wanted to document this old dingy, nasty place, which I've come through so many times over the years. It's crazy to see this. If anybody has seen LaGuardia, LaGuardia is really, really nice now. I mean, this isn't nice, but the new area is amazing. One of the nicer airports been to in the world. So Northwest used to come in here. I used to park there on a 727. Wow, this is crazy to see this go. But been here a long time, and it's severely outgrown. Anyway, I'm going to finish up the video and keep my mouth shut. Goodbye, terminal.